Unraveling, in light of, enhancing your English understanding. Hello and welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase you might have heard or read, in light of. This phrase is not only popular but also a great tool to add sophistication to your English. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and see some real-life examples. In light of is a phrase used to introduce a factor or consideration that affects or explains a situation or action. It can be thought of as a more formal way of saying, because of, or considering. This phrase often precedes an explanation or a decision made due to certain circumstances or information. For example, in light of the recent findings, we need to change our strategy. Subsection 2.1. Contextual use. In light of is commonly used in formal or academic contexts. It's a way to introduce a reason or rationale behind a decision, opinion, or action. For instance, in light of the severe weather forecast, the event has been postponed. Subsection 2.2. Variations. There are variations to this phrase, like in view of, or given, which serve a similar purpose. For example, given the current market trends, our approach needs to be reevaluated. To understand it better, let's look at some examples. 1. In light of your excellent performance, we are offering you a promotion. 2. In light of the new evidence, the case was reopened. 3. The policy was revised in light of recent incidents. These examples show how the phrase sets the context for something that follows, usually a decision or change. When using in light of, make sure the information following it directly relates to the reason or explanation you're providing. It should not be used to introduce a random or unrelated fact. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase, in light of, and its usage in English. It's a great phrase to enhance your conversational and written English, especially in formal settings. Remember, practicing by using it in your sentences can help solidify your understanding. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.